back to square one. If you guys remember last year, almost this time, this is May 2021, March 2020 exactly, I started my transformation in this particular room and have transformed like 90%, no, 80% in this room with just the same dumbbells, and there was a proper rod and all that. I kept it outside. I hope they didn't rust. You see those here? You see that barbell there? That is one more equipment I have. I'm planning to get a proper home equipment. I can't set up a home gym because this is where I work and rest of the rooms are occupied. I have to set up an outdoor gym. Planning to do it under the garage there where I keep the Seltos. All the cars and bikes mostly they'll be going into the lawn, and that section, the garage section, I'm planning to make that a proper, not proper, but kabhi kabhi if it is a lockdown like this, or if I can't go to the gym, I'll have a home gym. For now, we'll have to adjust with the dumbbells. Today is a proper leg workout, which I usually don't prefer doing at home because in this type of equipment, it is, you can do it, but still I don't prefer doing that because I need like proper heavy weights. I like to lift 120 130 kgs. So yeah, 20-30 puny weights नहीं होता हमारे साथ, बट अभी जो भी है we have to manage with that. चलो let's hit the workout, let's rock it. That's one of my favorite artists, Nora En Pure. Anyways, I wanted to give you a quick update about the equipment I have here, the puny equipment I have here. Yeah, there's a 15 kg dumbbell. I have a pair of this, and I have a 12.5 kg pair of dumbbell. That's it. And workout is going pretty good. It's always better to do some workout instead of no workout because cheating we full on ho raha. Unlike last year when the lockdown was there was no Swiggy, Zomato. This time everything is open with the coupons. So Pooja is also not here. She went to her mom's place along with Naisha, and I'm feeling so freaking bored. All I'm doing is sitting and eating, ordering some nice desserts. Sorry Zishan, I'll have to get back. I'm trying to burn at least 1000 to 1200 calories every day, and I'm putting that back in. Anyways, all this keeps going on for another 7 to 8 days, and once the lockdown opens, we will get back to our 6-pack days. I'll see you after burning 1000 calories. Abhi to 155 calories only into 10 karna. Chalo, done with my workout. Always exceed expectations. Set a goal for inspiration. I exceeded my own expectations. 1138 calories and still counting. I'm left with the last set. I'll be done with that and we can order something. These days I'm like this. Let's burn and let's eat as well for some time till the lockdown opens. Because after lockdown opens, once again we're gonna get really strict, get back to proper work, get back to rides, and start enjoying life. Guys, kaise ho? Eleanor, hope everyone is doing great. Good morning, 8:13 a.m. in the morning. Right now I'm quickly going to get my panniers finally. They arrived from Mumbai. Actually, they arrived almost like 2 days back, but I did not get the time to go and get it. I had to go to a particular travel office to get it. Chalo, I'm getting really late. Everything gets shut by 10 o'clock. So yeah, lockdown times. Let's go quickly get it, and I'll see you guys with the beautiful BMW GSF panniers. And always I'm gonna look very bad because I did not even take a bath. Immediately got up, got a call from this travel office to come and collect it. They said they can deliver it home as well, but then I'm not like really sure about it. And also one more important thing is they had to deliver it yesterday itself, but that didn't happen. They were giving some reason. So I thought, forget all this, let's go get it. And also main thing is I wanted to get out for at least an hour. Like thoda sa car drive bhi ho jayega, and also we can take out the Kia ones. And my car is giving me a warning already. It says a low tire pressure. 31 is low. Okay, I think 33 is correct. All other tires are 30 and they are not showing any warning. This particular rear left rear tire is 31 and it shows a warning. Dude, Kia accuracy, yeah? So there it shows 31 minutes to reach the place. Traffic is there, yeah. Like normal times. Time is around 8:18. There is good traffic. Or as you guys can see, this is our panniers arriving from the city of dreams, city of dreams only, right? Yeah, Mumbai. And my intelligent subscribers and his intelligent subscribers, both of you guessed it right. The panniers and the top box, actually top box didn't come yet. Thoda sa gadbad ho gaya in shipping. That will be coming tomorrow. We thought both were shipped together, but actually it seems the top box was shipped later. Anyways, doesn't matter. Tomorrow I'll have to go and pick it up. Thank you, Nikhil, for sending me the panniers. Waiting for the top box as well. So let me take the panniers in. Let's unbox it. Actually, I can unbox it here itself and put it on the bike right away and show it to you, but no, there is a lot of stuff to be done on it first. I have to figure out how to mount it on the bike. Aram se andar jacket is too hot right now. Let's go inside, figure it out. Oh yes, tomorrow we'll have to go back again. At least I'm getting an opportunity to get out. Otherwise, you guys know, since the last 10-15 days, uske pehle COVID tha, almost 1 month I'm locked in this house. Now this is coming from literally all the places, especially Maharashtra, which is a proper center for COVID, and it's coming through trucks and buses and autos and all that, so it's better we sanitize it. I don't know how effective it's gonna be, but we have the spray. Let's use it. Let's try to be as safe as possible. Actually, it is not like really heavy. These are like two panniers, left pannier and right pannier. I thought it's gonna be much heavy, but pretty manageable, yeah. BMW panniers are lighter than Triumph panniers. Triumph panniers are smaller than this, but still heavier. I think it's to do with the gauge. My whole body is smelling of Dettol, the Dettol spray that I used. By the way, in case you're interested in getting the Dettol spray, you can use my coupon code. Just kidding, don't take it seriously. As you can see, I've already opened it at the shipping office itself to just check if everything is perfect. Oh yes, there I can see the aluminium, silver aluminium panniers. Super duper excited about this. Been waiting for a long time, dude. But let's be honest, what am I going to do with this? I mean, in these times, we'll have to wait for I don't know how much, but once again, Shima started crying, and this will keep continuing till the lockdown relaxes. And after that, another 1 month, I'll take a break, then take vaccinations, and then we'll start our travel. If everything is fine, let's see. Chalo, let's stop crying and at least be a little bit happy that we have panniers here. Tomorrow, let's get the top box as well. Uska unboxing we'll do again. Yes, we need content, na? Abhi lockdown mein what else can we do? Ho 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 ho. Nice. This is nice. You stay here, let me take it out. Oh yes, a fresh brand new piece. Not a single scratch on it. Thank you, Nikhil. Oh yes, this is the difference between the left and right panniers. I think this comes on the right side where the exhaust is there. That is the reason you have this cut. This is to accommodate the exhaust. There you go. Original Hamara BMW's brand new panniers, bro. So actually today morning when I reached the shipping office, I was like, he gave me this one single dabba. And I was like, dude, there were two dabbas. There should be two panniers and one top box. It can't come in this tiny box. I know how big they are. And then I asked him, dude, is there one more box? He was like, no, we got only one box. I was like worried. Then I messaged Nikhil saying, bro, there is only one box. Did you send the top box as well? Or did it get misplaced somewhere? And then he immediately called me back saying, Shriman, I sent you two boxes. There should be the top box and the panels as well. And before this, as he couldn't take the call in the morning, I came back home jaldi, opened his video and checked that video where he mentioned about the panniers. And there I see two boxes. Then I got tensed. Kuch to gadbad hua shipping mein. Luckily, he called me later and told me he sent both the boxes. Ye ek box mein both panniers and one more box mein there is the top box coming. Unfortunately, the shipping guy who picked it from Nikhil, he shipped both the boxes at different times. I don't know why, but doesn't matter. Yeah, we have it here. Tomorrow I'll take the top box as well, and we are good. And actually, looking at these panniers, I think they're both equally wide, except if you look it from here, this is a bit slimmer than this one. And obviously, this should accommodate the exhaust. But what I've seen in videos and pictures is that the top box of BMW is a bit smaller in size compared to the Triumph's top box. Somehow BMW makes the panniers bigger than the top box. Already looking at all of this, I'm getting that mood to take the bike and get out of the state, dude. Nice. Okay, now how do we open these? Alright, this is the right pannier, this is the left pannier. Now, as you can see, there are no locks here, alright? You see this? Now that is the complicated part. We have the lock sets inside this panniers, I hope. Nikhil, I hope you didn't forget that. Oh nice, the way this opens, I really like it. See that? And then you just push it like that and... Nice, yaar. Full fancy stuff. Whoa, that's huge inside. It's got this nice string over here so that it doesn't fall piche, and I think if I'm not wrong, we can actually remove the whole lid. Okay, so I figured it out. Open the front side first and then also the rear side. And then this comes off like that. See this separately? Actually, you can keep it on the side and you can properly put your stuff inside. And there you see, these are the locks. Now, like I told you, this is a complicated part where I have to assemble the locks based on my bike's key. Ek, do, teen. 3 locks for 3. Are there 3? I think we need 3 of these for 1 box. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So we have 3 for this box. I don't see one more lock set here. Nope, nothing, empty. But Nikhil told me he put all the lock sets in each of their own boxes. Let me check with him. Bro. Okay, he's also not sure about it. I think it is in the top box, the rest of the locks, because these are very important. Otherwise, this lock set alone, I think this costs somewhere around 12 or 13,000 rupees, dude. So now the complicated part is assembling these, and if you give it to BMW to do that, they'll do it for you. But we know that BMW's TFT scratch guard is only 5,000 rupees, which will give you a scratch in your head. And if you go and ask them to install all this, they do a great job, no doubt. But then, not only that, actually, you guys know that I like figuring out all these things on my own. So let's try it out. It shouldn't go wrong. If it goes wrong, it's gonna be such a big task. You're gonna permanently damage these. We'll have to be very careful, very patient, and we have a ton of time now. I think I'll assemble these on my own. Let's take the risk, dude. Actually, let me show you how these look. So these are one type of pins. Then you have the second type of pins, and you can see inside there are tiny springs. One was set. Total we have 3 sets of pins, and 4 sets. Okay, this is getting more and more complicated, dude. This is the actual lock. We'll have to put all these pins properly based on my keys pattern. There's a proper tutorial about this on YouTube, and tomorrow we'll be getting the top box and fix everything. Then I'll put it on the bike and show it to you how the bike looks with this bulky big panniers and the top box. And guys, I don't like to keep these milk dabbas like this. Actually, they look like idli dabbas. Not only this, all the panniers look like that luggage system. So I'm probably gonna wrap them. There are different kinds of patterns and all that you get outside. I've ordered them, but till then, I'm not sure when are those gonna come to India, especially considering this pandemic and all that. International shipments are like delayed. If they're getting really late, then I have a black wrap. You remember I put it for the Tiger. Same wrap. I'm gonna wrap these in black. They look much better than Tiffin dabbas. Meanwhile, as usual, after every unboxing, I don't realize while unboxing stuff, but later I realized that there is a lot of junk like this. Look at all of this. I have to pack all this back.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, the time is around 9:15. Okay, 10 o'clock in the night. And I started watching these videos, assembling a BMW Motorrad lock cylinder. That's a 6 minute 53 seconds video. There are a couple of videos. It's not actually complicated, you can do it. But like I told you, you need a lot of patience for this. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Next vlog, most probably tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go quickly and pick the top box as well. So then I'll see you guys in the next vlog.